Hey guys, Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you're new, I would love if you stuck around by subscribing to my channel. My name is Rachel. I work a traditional 8-to-5 job here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I work in retail and I am currently working from home like the rest of pretty much the world. I'm working at home through July and probably will be hybrid from now on, but I'm really enjoying it and I hope that you guys enjoy this work week in my life. It is currently 12:30 on Monday, January 4th. Probably the dreaded day that everyone goes back to work, but I'm enjoying getting back into a routine and trying to implement some of my new habits that I want to start at the beginning of this year. But I'm about to make some lunch, and before I do that, I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. All right, so the blouse that I have on is this cute burnt orange color. I don't know the brand of it, but I can link it below, but it's from a local boutique called Boem, B-O-E-M. My necklace is also from the same place. My jeans are my Madewell Perfect Vintage Crop, and then I believe my little booties are from H&M, but that's just the fit for today. I have my hair up. I pretty much always keep my hair up in those little claw clips, and I just got a bunch from Amazon that I can link below too. I just find it easy to put my hair up that way. I don't like using my heat on my hair unless I have to, but yeah, that's kind of the fit for today. And if you're new here, this is my little Chick-a-Pig, which is a really fun board game, and if you haven't played Chick-a-Pig, you really should. It's like a checkers strategy game. Right, here is the plate for today. Usually I would put this on bread, but honestly I just didn't feel like toasting it, and our bread is in the freezer, so I just made these little herbed turkey, lettuce, and spicy deli mustard roll-ups, then some kettle chips, and these are really, really yummy Blue Diamond Bold habanero barbecue almonds. And then of course, I love these little mini Dr. Peppers. They're like perfect for lunchtime for me. I'm turning on a show to watch while I eat my lunch, and I'm watching Southern Charm on Hulu. I've been catching up on the most recent season, and I really miss Cameron. I really liked her. I think a lot of it probably has to do with her husband being a doctor. Like, it's probably just hard to keep up with the show, and there's drama to it, obviously, that's scripted in it. Anywho, whatever the reason, I really miss her, and I really do not like Pringle. John Pringle, I think he's just awkward and weird, and he makes me feel uncomfortable, but I don't know. If you watch it, what are your thoughts? I love when you get that notification from your package place, ours is called Luxor One at our apartment complex, and you're like, oh my gosh, what did I order? Did someone send me something? And it's just such a nice surprise. This is actually from my friend Annie. Her and her mom made candles for Christmas. I can open it. And hand pour them and everything, which I just think is so sweet. She sent me these little socks, which are so cute. And a Cool Mint Mojito chapstick. Maybe bath bombs. Yeah. Oh yum, this smells so good. Candle. This stuff is so sweet. I don't know if Annie's watching this, but I know some of my friends who know Annie are watching this and know how sweet she is. So just think of people, you know. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh, that smells so nice. What a sweet little unboxing, and I hope you guys got to enjoy watching that. This is another random break in my day, but I've really been enjoying making flower arrangements for our apartment. I don't particularly love these flowers, but I had some white hydrangeas and they were already wilting, but I also put in these olive branches or olive leaf branches, whatever you call them. And I had someone stop me when I was coming into my apartment. They're like, oh, your flowers are so pretty, what's the occasion? I was like, oh my gosh, you don't need an occasion to have flowers in your apartment. They just make it look nice. They're like, wow, that is such a nice sentiment to think of. But I would love one day, I love my job right now, but if I didn't have a corporate job, my other dream job would be to have a flower farm and a floral arrangement place and do designs for, any occasion, event, or anything, but bridal showers or for weddings. And I just think flowers make people so happy. And it always reminds me, if you're on TikTok, there's this guy called Random Happiness, and his @name is Random Happiness 5. And he goes around a store or a shopping mall and he'll have a bouquet of flowers and he'll just pick someone out randomly and give it to them. And I just think that is so sweet, and more people should be like that. But anyways, flowers just make me so happy, and I'm glad that my boyfriend likes them too, because I always like having them in the apartment. So I'm getting ready to make dinner. I make dinner for me, my boyfriend Michael, and then his 2 cousins who also live in our apartment building. It's just easy for the 4 of us to all cook together, so we each take a turn one night a week, and then like Friday through Sunday, either someone else will make a meal or we'll just go out and grab food together. So that's the easiest way for us. Tonight I am making a chicken enchilada quinoa skillet. I'll leave the recipe linked below. I actually found it from a video that Michelle Reed posted on YouTube, so just taking the recipe that she used and making it as well. I doubled the recipe for us just because we eat a lot of food, and if we have leftovers, then we have leftovers. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I have a pot of water here, and I'm gonna go ahead and poach the chicken so that I can shred the chicken and put it into the dish. All right, so I've got 2 pounds, I think I did actually 2.5 pounds of chicken. It is boiling in here, ready to be poached. So this will boil for 3 minutes. I'll turn it down to like medium-low heat for the next 10, and then it should be ready to cool down, and then I'll shred it. So while that kind of does its thing, I'm gonna get the vegetables and all the spices that I'm gonna be using prepped and ready to be put into a little saucepan. Before I start prepping my vegetables, I'm gonna go ahead and put my quinoa on. I'm just using this white quinoa from Trader Joe's. Just looks like this. I'm going to do 2 cups of quinoa and 4 cups of chicken broth and just cook it in a little saucepan back there. Hey guys, happy Tuesday, January 5th. I still can't believe it's January, but anyways, I am currently toasting up some bread for my sandwich instead of having the little roll-ups that I had yesterday, because I just think it'll be better. But I just toasted some on the stovetop. We don't have a toaster because we just don't have the counter space for it, but you guys saw a little montage of my morning, what I eat for breakfast, and then some of my work that I was doing as well. I didn't film some of last night because Michael and I just ran errands. We went to Lowe's to return some things and pick up some other things. He actually built the record table unit behind us, which was like one of the big things that we've been really waiting to like put together. So he did that last night. what else do? We went to Harry's Teeter. We went way too late and there was like no groceries, so we're gonna have to go back today to pick up some more stuff for dinner this week. And then we watched a little bit of The Bachelor. I actually really like Matt. Some people were saying that they didn't like him, or like when he was first announced they didn't really like him, but I think he seems really sweet, and he's actually from where I'm from in Raleigh. He went to a high school that's like right near mine and that I had a bunch of friends go to, so it's also just funny to see someone like from my neck of the woods. And there was also a girl from Durham on there as well, so that was fun to watch. We didn't watch the whole thing, we just watched some of the introductions, and then it was late and I was ready to go to bed, so I went to bed. But that's kind of like the recap of everything. Oh, the dish that I made last night, the quinoa enchilada chicken skillet thing, was incredible. It was so good. I'm so glad that I made 2 pans of it because we ate 1 and a half of it, so it was really good. We also served it with some chips on the side, and then the little sour cream mixture that I made with plain Greek yogurt and lime and olive oil. So overall, it was very good. We still have some leftovers, but I think I'm gonna eat it for lunch tomorrow just to give myself a break from it. But yeah, I'm gonna keep making my lunch and then update you guys. Morning guys, so it is currently 10:30 on Wednesday, January 6th. I've just been working this morning, so nothing that you guys really missed out on, but last night I didn't film, but we actually went to the driving range for a little bit, which was really nice. It was just nice to get out of the house, and I got golf clubs for my birthday back in November, so it's nice to break them in. I have the cutest little pink golf bag, and my clubs have gray and pink on them, and I've just really enjoyed using them. So it's a good way to kind of get off your phone for an hour and a half or so. And then we also went to Target because I've decided that I'm done with my old headphones, and I'm into the future. I got AirPods. I finally broke down and got some. So I got this from Target last night, but those are the only 2 things that we did besides eating dinner. So just kind of an update on where I've been since I filmed last night, just of the skyline. It was a super pretty afternoon. We had like a storm that rolled through, and then had a sunset and some rainbows coming through uptown. So yeah, I've just been working. I'm gonna continue working, and I'll probably catch up with you guys at lunch. And this is lunch for today. So that's the casserole in here. I topped it with some additional cheese. I made like a little sour cream-esque dip, but it just has plain Greek yogurt, lime, and olive oil. And then I have the restaurant-style white corn tortilla chips, and they have a hint of lime. They're from Trader Joe's. I think these are the best. So yeah, that is lunch for today.
Hey vlog. We're just making a mocktail.
Hey guys, so I'm at my friend Allie's apartment.
Hi guys.
And we are gonna make some mocktails tonight.
Yes.
A little recipe that we just thought of on our own.
Yeah, we're making it up. We figured it's a Wednesday. We could add tequila, but we're not gonna.
We just don't feel like it.
So our ingredients are lime juice, grapefruit juice,
some simple syrup,
some mint,
and then
the star of the show,
Topo Chico. Hey guys, happy Thursday. It is lunchtime now. I feel like that's when I usually tend to pick up the camera. It's just easier to kind of get into a groove of working in the morning and then take a break and film once I start making lunch. So I'm actually making another sandwich today. I bought an avocado earlier in the week because I was going to use it for a recipe, but I figured I would save it for my sandwich today. I'm heating up a pan with some oil so that I can cook my bread, and I'm just going to make basically the same sandwich that I made earlier this week. I had a lot of fun last night with Allie. We just made like little mocktails at her apartment because I don't know, we just wanted something fun to drink, but neither of us were really in the mood to drink alcohol, so we just made mocktails and they were super good, and it was nice to just catch up with her. So yeah, I haven't had very much besides work to do today. My hair looks so crazy. I didn't wash it today because I'm going to get my hair cut after work, so it's like I'm gonna get my hair washed there anyway. So yeah, that's kind of what I've been up to today. All right, I actually learned this the other day, so maybe this will help someone else out, but I always call this like the belly button of the avocado, but it usually sits right there. If you take off the belly button of the avocado, you can see like what color basically it's going to be on the inside, and so mine right now is brown, or is green with a little bit of brown flecks. So let's see if it's actually true. I think this is going to be a good avocado, but we'll see. The big reveal. Oh, this is good. So no brown flecks on there, but yeah, it's supposed to show like what the inside looks like.